Hello everyone, I'm Mario. Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Celsius espresso machine. Now this machine had an error, and that error was grinder block. We couldn't really fix the grinder, so we just had to replace it. We replaced it with a brand new one. We descaled this machine, service the brew unit, replace the brew valve, and also clean around the spouts and some around the hopper and some other parts of the machine. Now we're gonna be testing this machine with a cappuccino. That way we can test the carafe side and the spouts at the same time. We are using our own carafe. We do not have the carafe of the machine, so this is ours. Also, we are not using any milk. We're using water, and we're still going to see the water getting siphoned through the carafe, but we'll not be able to see any foam because it's just water. The machine needs to get up to temperature. Once it does that, it will automatically push steam through one of the little solenoid valves around here, and it will siphon the water as you see right here. Nice steady steam coming out of the carafe. We got a little bit of foam coming out through there because we have a little bit of milk cleaner residue that we have in this. Perfect. Now it's going to dispense the coffee. It's going to enter in the pre-infusion state by pushing a little bit of water like that, and then it's going to extract the coffee by pushing water through the thermoblock and into the spouts. Good quantity for a cappuccino. This is a cappuccino cup. Perfect. Now we're going to do an espresso. Unfortunately, I ran out of coffee, so we will have to redo that again. Now we're going to be doing an espresso shot. Again, pre-infusion, and then extraction. I will remove the carafe now so we can see better. Nice quantity coming out of the machine. 1.5 ounces, good crema. Looking good. Now we're gonna be testing the hot water. Nice steady stream coming out of the one. And now we're gonna be doing steam. Now the thermoblock on the back needs to get up to temperature. Once it does that, the tiny pump that is located right here will start pulsing water into that thermoblock and then out through the steamer one. There is purging itself and then steaming out as it should. Steady steam coming out of the machine. Working excellent. Great temperature. Working great. So there you have it. Saeco Celsius working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.